Our journey begins 4.6 billion years ago. The solar system was a swirling cloud of dust and gas. Gradually, gravity pulled this material together. It clumped into larger and larger masses. One of these masses became our Earth. This early Earth was a fiery molten ball of rock. Temperatures were incredibly high. There were no oceans, no atmosphere, just a hot, barren landscape. This period, the Hadean Eon, lasted for about 500 million years. It was a time of intense heat and volcanic activity. The Hadean Earth was a chaotic place. Asteroids and comets bombarded its surface. These impacts delivered water and other volatile compounds to the young planet. Over time, the Earth began to cool. The molten rock solidified into the first continents. The stage was set for the next chapter in Earth's incredible story. As millions of years ticked by, the Earth underwent dramatic changes. The crust began to form and tectonic plates started to move. Volcanic eruptions released gases, forming the early atmosphere. Water vapor condensed to form the first primitive oceans. With oceans and an atmosphere, Earth was ready for the next phase of its journey. The Hadean Eon was just the beginning, a prelude to the rich and diverse history that would follow. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a cataclysmic event occurred. A Mars-sized object named Theia collided with the young Earth. This impact, known as the Giant Impact Hypothesis, ejected a massive amount of debris into space. This debris, bound by gravity, coalesced to form our Moon. The formation of the Moon had a profound impact on Earth. The Moon's gravitational pull stabilized Earth's rotation and created tides. These tides, along with the Moon's influence on Earth's tilt, played a crucial role in shaping the planet's climate and the evolution of life. The Archean Eon, spanning from 4 to 2.5 billion years ago, witnessed the emergence of life. In the primordial oceans, a remarkable transformation took place. Simple organic molecules, the building blocks of life, assembled themselves. This process, still not fully understood, gave rise to the first life forms, prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are single-celled organisms without a nucleus. They thrived in the early oceans, obtaining energy from chemicals in their surroundings. Evidence of these early life forms is preserved in stromatolites. These layered structures, formed by the growth of cyanobacteria, provide a glimpse into a time when life was just beginning to establish itself on Earth. The Proterozoic Eon, from 2.5 billion to 541 million years ago, marked a significant shift in Earth's history. Cyanobacteria, a type of prokaryote, evolved the ability to perform photosynthesis. This process, using sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into energy, had a profound consequence. It released oxygen as a byproduct. Over millions of years, oxygen accumulated in the atmosphere. This event, known as the Great Oxygenation Event, had a dramatic impact on life. Many anaerobic organisms, unable to survive in the presence of oxygen, perished. However, this event paved the way for the evolution of more complex oxygen-breathing life forms. Section 5, from single cells to complex life, the rise of eukaryotes. Around 2 billion years ago, a new type of cell emerged, the eukaryote. Eukaryotic cells are larger and more complex than prokaryotes. They possess a nucleus which contains their DNA and other membrane-bound organelles. The evolution of eukaryotic cells was a major milestone in the history of life. Eukaryotes evolved through a process called endosymbiosis. This theory suggests that one prokaryote engulfed another, forming a symbiotic relationship. The engulfed prokaryote, capable of aerobic respiration, eventually became the mitochondrion, the powerhouse of the eukaryotic cell. Section 6. Explosion of life, the Paleozoic era. The Paleozoic era, spanning from 541 to 252 million years ago, witnessed an explosion of life. This era is divided into 6 geological periods: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. This era began with the Cambrian explosion, a period of rapid diversification of life forms. During this time, the oceans teemed with a variety of complex organisms. During this time, most of the major animal phyla we know today first appeared in the fossil record. These include arthropods, mollusks, and echinoderms. The Paleozoic era saw the evolution of fish, the first vertebrates. Fish diversified into various forms, including jawless fish, armored fish, and eventually jawed fish. Plants colonized land, followed by arthropods, the first animals to venture onto dry land. This transition marked a significant shift in the Earth's ecosystems. Amphibians, the first vertebrates to conquer land, evolved from lobe-finned fish. These early amphibians laid the groundwork for future terrestrial life. The era ended with the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the largest mass extinction in Earth's history. This catastrophic event wiped out approximately 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species, paving the way for the rise of the dinosaurs in the Mesozoic era. Section 7. Age of Reptiles, the Mesozoic Era. The Mesozoic era, from 252 to 66 million years ago, is often called the Age of Reptiles. Dinosaurs, the most iconic group of reptiles, ruled the Earth during this time. They diversified into a wide range of shapes and sizes, from the massive sauropods to the fearsome theropods. The Mesozoic era also saw the evolution of the first mammals and birds. Mammals evolved from a group of reptiles called synapsids. Birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs, as evidenced by the discovery of feathered dinosaurs. The era ended with the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, which wiped out the dinosaurs and many other species. Section 8. Mammals take center stage. The Cenozoic era. The Cenozoic era, spanning from 66 million years ago to the present, is known as the Age of Mammals. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals diversified and filled the ecological niches left vacant. They evolved into a wide variety of forms, from whales to bats to primates. The Cenozoic era also saw the evolution of grasses, which led to the expansion of grasslands. This, in turn, influenced the evolution of grazing mammals. Primates, the order to which humans belong, evolved and diversified during this era. The first hominids, our early human ancestors, appeared in Africa around 6 million years ago. Section 9. The Human Epoch, our impact on the planet. The arrival of humans marked a new chapter in Earth's history. Our species, Homo sapiens, evolved in Africa around 300,000 years ago. We spread across the globe, our intelligence and adaptability allowing us to thrive in a variety of environments. However, our impact on the planet has been profound. We have altered landscapes, domesticated plants and animals, and developed technologies that have transformed our world. Our activities have led to climate change, deforestation, and the loss of biodiversity. We are now living in the Anthropocene, a proposed geological epoch defined by human influence on Earth's systems. Section 10. A legacy in the balance, the future of natural history. As we look to the future, the story of natural history is still being written. Each day, new discoveries are made and new challenges arise. The choices we make today will determine the fate of countless species and the health of our planet. Our actions have far-reaching consequences, impacting ecosystems and biodiversity. It is our responsibility to understand the interconnectedness of life and to act as stewards of the natural world. Every small effort counts, from reducing waste to supporting conservation initiatives. By studying natural history, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of life and the forces that have shaped our planet. Museums and research institutions play a crucial role in preserving this knowledge. We learn about the resilience of life and the consequences of our actions. Nature has an incredible ability to recover if given the chance, but it requires our commitment and care. Let us use this knowledge to create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. By embracing sustainable practices and educating future generations, we can ensure a harmonious coexistence with the natural world.
Like and subscribe to start your journey today.